Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I did a bit of an Ulta haul and I bought some new makeup that I'm super excited about. A couple of these things I didn't even see like a launch post about until after I already bought them. Like there was almost no announcement to them. The first thing I'm going to be testing out today is the ELF Luminous Putty Primer. This is their new version of the poreless putty primer. They have a luminous one and a matte one. Okay, so it smells like the putty primer and it looks like the putty primer, but it's like a creamy color. Just get our fingers in there. As someone with dry skin that loves the poreless putty primer, I am super excited that there's a luminous one now. It says that it is infused with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. This luminous blurring putty primer has a velvety texture that glides effortlessly over the skin to smooth imperfections and add a soft glow. Yeah, I could see that. I mean, my cheeks look a little bit glowier. I don't know if you guys can really tell. My nose is a little bit glowier. Yeah, I like the way that feels. It feels pretty good. The next thing is something I'm so excited about, and I saw this online. Like I just kind of went through and I was like, I should do a testing new base products, and so I went through the new foundation. I hadn't seen anything about this foundation until I went to Ulta, and it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, but it's the dewy version. It has like the same packaging with the little spatula. I got porcelain. It's the same shade that I believe it's the same shade I have in the other one. This one does not smell like paint thinner, which is good. It says it hydrates and smooths complexion for a luminous finish, and it has buildable coverage for normal to dry skin. Just taking my dirty beauty blender. It smells a little bit more like nail polish. I'm not sure if they have this in all of the shade options that the other one was in. I hope so, because this is just a revelation. I can't believe it took them so long to make a dewy one. So far so good. Like, I can live with this. We're gonna see if it's buildable now. I'm not like loving the way it looks on my nose, but it's not terrible. Just so you guys can see, I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely dewy, which I love. The next thing I have is another dewy version of something that was once matte. It is the ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer. So for those of you that have been here before and you know that I love the 16-hour camo concealer, they came out with a hydrating version of it. The packaging is also super cute. It's like the camo concealer, but with a white lid and like white writing. It's so cute. And it says satin finish. I don't think this is supposed to last 16 hours as far as I know. It probably can't because of, being dewy and stuff. No, I got mine in the shade Fair Warm, which I believe is the same as my other one. So we'll see. It has the same doe foot applicator. Oh, actually, I don't know. This might be a different color than the other one I have. I feel like the other one I have is like really pale. This one actually might be like a bit. I'm putting way too much. What am I doing? It's a full coverage concealer and I'm just going at it like it's not my ELF full coverage concealer. Oh, I love this. I love the way this looks. Oh my gosh, I look like an alien. Okay, so I know I look like an alien, but like, I love this concealer. This is amazing. It's just as full coverage as the other one, but it's dewy, and I look like a dewy, like, I love this. Oh my god, I look so dewy, but I look like an alien, and I'm gonna go like, add some stuff to my face. so I can finish testing this stuff and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so another thing that I got from Ulta, which I am just so excited about because this was on sale. It is the Ofra Pressed Powder. This is in Snuggle Up. It is a blush and highlighter like duo. And first of all, Ofra's packaging is just like the cutest thing in the world. It comes in this little white box and you open it up and look at that. It is a highlighter and a blush and it looks amazing and I'm so excited. Satisfying. I'm so excited about this. Ah! First, I kind of want to swatch these for you guys. I was worried because when I got this, you know, I've never used the Star Island highlight, and so I was worried it was going to be too dark on me. I'm just going to have to swatch it for you guys like this because I just remember there's that disgusting sore on my hand and I really don't want to show you guys that. So first, dipping into the blush, and it's such a nice big pan. You can just like fit your brush right in there. Ooh, girl, I love that. I love that. It's like it's somewhere in between like a peach and a pink. It is matte and I do typically prefer a matte blush, so that's okay with me. If you don't really like a matte blush, this might not be for you. I'm trying to be careful because I know that this is super pigmented and I'm just like, it's kind of scaring me. I've been putting a lot of blush on my nose lately, like it's kind of been my thing, so time for the highlight. Super excited. I'm just gonna put my brush in there, tap it off because I know these things are pigmented. Oh gosh, I got too much. I got too much. Let me turn the brightness down so you guys can actually like see. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm actually filming 2 videos right now, so I will have something else to try over that blush. Alright, I have some more things to go test out, and I'll be back with you guys for my last thing for my Ulta haul. So I have my eyes done now, and the next thing that I got from Ulta that I'm so excited to try is finally, this is not new, but it's new to me, is the Colorpop BFF Liquid Liner. I got mine in the shade Numero Uno, which is the black one. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to try this since it came out, and I'm just now getting around to it. So yeah, I'm super excited to test this out. It sounds like a very liquidy one. It is a felt tip, which I've recently been loving felt tips, so hopefully that means good things for me. Okay, so I just finished doing my eyeliner. I messed up a little bit on this one and made it like a little bit too thick. And when I went to go try and like get it off, I'm not gonna lie, it didn't come off very easily, which is great that it didn't budge. But if you're a little bit messy with your eyeliner like I am, that might not be the best thing in the world because it didn't really want to like smear off, because I usually take a Q-tip and like, you know, wing out my eyeliner with my Q-tip as I clean it up, and this didn't move after it was placed, so that makes me a little nervous. But overall it's very matte black, which is great, and yeah, I mean, it was pretty simple to use. I don't really have a lot of complaints other than it just does not budge after it is put on, which typically is a good thing, but for me, not so much. Alright, all of my makeup is now complete. Between my Ipsy bag and this Ulta haul, I have managed to make almost an entire full face of new makeup. Let me know, do you guys enjoy haul videos? I love haul videos. Now, obviously, I'm not going to make a bunch of haul videos because I don't have that kind of money. But if you guys really want to see more haul videos, maybe I'll do collective hauls and I'll just start putting stuff off to the side until I have time to make a video for it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and if you like Ulta hauls, or if you have tried any of these new products that have recently launched. If you've tried them, if you love them, if you hate them, let me know in the comments. I really would love to hear you guys' reviews on these products, or if you're excited to try them. I know I was super excited to try them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. You would hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see when I post new videos. I post new videos every single Saturday, so be there. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!